welcome back. What's up? Today I'm. What's up? Okay, so hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we found a dead bird. No! No! He knocked off the grave! Okay, so we're trying to make a fire.
I was gonna say a brownie.
Okay, so what is this vlog? Okay, go subscribe to Team 10, Dentitium, Sunday, Craner.
You guys can't stay here that very long. At like 8:30, you guys have to leave, but it's 7 right now. Start attacking these plants that are up. Clean the plants. Tell them about
our new group channel.
Hey, no, help us clean.
Do not forget to have a new group channel.
Can you help us clean?
It's called the Flaming Unicorns. Go subscribe to that as soon as it's out.
Yeah, as soon as it's out. Hey, guys, can you help us clean the back?
No, we're just gonna attack these.
Can you help us attack the things? Those plants. Attack! I just need them. Okay, go inside now. No, don't go inside that. I'm gonna have your
Run! Okay, so yeah, seriously, a bird died. They found a BB bullet inside of him, so he buried him. Yeah. I'll be right back. Guys, right now we're trying to find a name for our new YouTube channel. So
the Gonzalez Barrera's kids.
okay, how about this? You guys leave in the comments below what our group channel should be, huh?
Barzar.
That's just copying by Zarbark.
No, Barzar.
Okay, so
The Gonzalez and the Barreras. The Barreras and Gonzalez.
I like that.
I'm gonna tell them
The David and the Teddy
It's gonna stick with the flaming unicorns, and then we're gonna think of it later.
So for now, it's gonna be the Flaming Unicorns. Flaming Unicorns!
It's gonna be down in the description down below. Right when it goes in.
Wait, what about bike rides? Because you guys always ride bikes. Bike rides.
Okay. Oh yeah. If you guys have any cool names, leave in the comments below. But if you don't, just don't say anything.
He's putting it on. That's the magnet. The flaming unicorn.
Okay, bye. Wait, no. So, guys.
Okay, so how do I take the picture, bro?
How do I take the picture? I don't know, so I'll show you later. Wait. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. See you guys tomorrow, probably. I'm not sure. I make my days when I vlog. Bye.